Hey boys and girls, just thought I'd do a little follow-up on the scales that I put on my Swiss Army knife. I did a video a while back, I don't know, like 3, maybe 4 weeks ago, installing these new scales on my knife, and I thought I'd do a little follow-up on it. Came with a pocket clip and screws and a little tool to install the screws in the scales, but I thought I'd do a little follow-up on it. I've carried this for about 3 weeks now in my pocket. The pocket clip works very well. It's not too tight, not too loose, but it allows you to carry it fairly deep in your pocket. And this was the plus scales, which, you know, got a spot for the toothpick, tweezers, and the ballpoint pen, which I still haven't ordered yet, so I got to get that done and get that in here. But the installation was pretty straightforward. I took the old scales off. They were a little chewed up and scratched up, and there's a lot of videos out there on how to take those off. And in my previous video I showed you a little bit how I took mine off. But the installation was fairly straightforward. You just press these in place. Since these were brand new, they were a little stiff to get on, so I had to stick it in my vise with a little cushion on it and get the final snap in there to get it installed. But they've held up really good. I like the pattern on there. I've got a few little scuffs here and there from being in my pocket with my phone and whatever else I had in the pocket at the same time. But they've held up really well. I will probably order some other ones for a couple of my other knives. I think they've got some different patterns out there now. The company is called Innovyx, and I'll put a link in the description on the company. But it was like I say, pretty straightforward for the installation. Depending on the knife that you're going to put it on. I think they have the 93 millimeter size scales, and then the next size down, 84 millimeter, I think. And of course, this knife's a little dirty now from being in my pocket. Got pocket lint and whatnot in there. But I really like the scales. They got several color choices to pick from, and I think they've got some new patterns other than this like honeycomb looking stuff. But they've held up really well. Haven't had any issues with the pocket clip. After I installed it, a few days later it felt like it was a little loose. I had to go in and tighten the screws again, but I guess that can happen. I didn't want to over tighten it in the beginning, but I tightened them back up, and they've been good ever since. So if you like this kind of stuff and you want to replace your scales with something that's not your standard, give this company a try, because they've got a lot of nice stuff out there. I think they're 3D printed. I saw just the other day they have some of the pocket clip that attached to your ring here, and I think they've got 3D printed versions of those that you can get. But I may pick up a couple of those for a couple of my other knives. And but anyway, you can get them with or without the pocket clip. So I just went ahead and ordered it with the pocket clip just to give that a try. But without the pocket clip, you won't have the holes there. So you can get the other clips that hook on right here and go from there. So that's what I've got for today. So appreciate you checking in and watching the video. So as always, like, subscribe, share, leave me some comments, whatever. So hope everybody has a good day, and you take care.